Hey guys, I'm Saurav, and in this video I will be talking about the Aputure Tri-8 LED light. Now Aputure sent me these lights for the review, and it's not a paid review. This is going to be an honest review. I will share what things I like, what things I don't like, and whether it's a good option to buy. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So out of the box, rather I should say out of the bag, because it comes with an extremely good carrying case, and that's very useful because the light is itself very portable. So the bag is an extremely useful addition, and it becomes extremely useful when you're traveling from one place to the other. So out of the bag, it comes with obviously one light, it comes with two batteries and a charger. One more thing that comes in the bag is the remote, which is very small but extremely useful because you can control the light with the remote wirelessly and it works flawlessly. Now talking about the main light, the Tri-8 from Aputure comes in two models, the Tri-8C and the Tri-8S. Now the one I have is the Tri-8C, where the C stands for the color and S stands for single color. The single color actually is a fixed color of 5600 Kelvin, that is the daylight color temperature. Whereas the C, which actually stands for multiple colors, you can actually change the color temperature in it. So the question is which one to buy. Depends on what you want to use it for. If you want more brightness, then the Tri-8S is a good option because it is 1000 lux brighter than the C version. But if you want to experiment with the color temperature, then the Tri-8C is going to be a better option. Personally, I like to play with the color temperature, so I went with the Tri-8C version. Now when you see the LED, you will see the small LEDs inside it are not actually conventionally arranged. They are stacked in a very different manner. There is a reason why they have arranged the LEDs in this manner. It actually allows them to fit more number of LEDs inside a smaller area, and it gives more amount of brightness. So even though the light is very small, still the light can get very bright. I have the Tri-8C model, which is not the brightest, but it is still very bright and it fits my needs. There is a small screen located at the back of the light, and that gives you the indication of how much battery is left. This is extremely useful whenever you're shooting. Maybe the battery is 60% used. Now 40% is left, but you don't know how much time is left exactly. That time you will see the screen and the exact time will be there, and it is very useful when shooting. Now in the Tri-8C model, as I said, you can change the color temperature. Now if you press the power button once, you can change the intensity. If you press it again, you can change the color temperature. Mostly I use this light in daylight color temperature until and unless I want to experiment with it. Now the quality of the light is good, but it's very harsh if you're not using any kind of diffuser. Generally, the diffusers are quite big and they are not portable, and Aputure tried to solve the problem by actually providing a very portable diffuser kit, and this has a softbox inside it. You can actually attach the softbox in maybe 5 minutes and you're good to go. After you attach the softbox, the light is very nicely diffused to be used. Like now, most of the times I'm shooting my A roll in natural light. That time I don't use this light, but I use this light most of the times when I'm shooting my B-rolls. Since this light is extremely portable, it becomes very handy to play with it. Since the light is very bright and you can also change the color temperature, I think it's a very great option to have. So these were all the things I like about it. There are two things which I don't like about it, and I think they should change in the next version. One is the mount where the light is attached, which is used to attach to the light stand. I think it's actually a bit less sturdy. Since the light is a bit heavy, I actually would have liked if that would have been more sturdier. If you're using the light at a different angle, then it could be a problem. One more thing, I don't hate, but I wish the softbox process would have been a much more easier process. When I set up the softbox, sometimes the softbox actually comes out and then I have to set up it again. Now this is not a huge problem, and if you have attached it properly, you won't face much issues. But other than that, I think the light is very good. It's extremely portable but very powerful. I hope you enjoyed the review, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I will try to answer them. If you liked the video, press the like button. If you loved it, press the subscribe button if you haven't already. I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.